Welcome to today's video. So I'm currently in restaurant right now eating with my wife, and we're just gonna try to photograph a little bit right here. So as I mentioned before on my other videos, I'm starting this challenge where I try to photograph something interesting every day, at least just to bring my camera and go out and shoot and try to have fun with photography. The end result might not be the best, might not be a great photograph, but nevertheless, this is all about the process and enjoying photography. So now let's start shooting something. Alright, so we're going to take a very simple picture, just a picture of this drink that I have right here. So we're currently in a restaurant, and yeah, I'm just going to keep it very simple. I'm using the GX85 with the 20mm f1.7. I'll put the setting in aperture priority mode, so I just want to keep it really simple and automatic. So I'm setting the aperture to f2.0, and let's see, shutter speed is about 30. I want a little bit faster shutter speed, so I'm using ISO 800 now. So let's see. I hope you can see the camera. Alright, this is the composition that we got, and I'm going to focus and recompose as needed. Right, I'm going to try one more time. I hope you can still see the camera. I'm recording with the DJI Pocket. Alright, I think this is a nice composition. I think it looks good with the background blur, and yeah, we'll see if we can find some other composition and interesting pictures right here. So one more time, now we have so many dishes right here. We have 3 plates. This is a salmon dish, and then lasagna, and then the salad. And now I'm trying to get the salmon because this is very beautiful. It has lots of textures, and behind that is the greeneries of the vegetables. It's contrasting really well. Again, same gear, GX85 20mm, ISO 800, just aperture priority. And I'm going to open up the aperture a little bit to f2.8 to get just slightly more depth of field. I'm focusing on the salmon right here and just try to keep everything blurred. So alright, looks nice so far. Right, I'm going to get this string a little bit right here behind the dish so it can be part of the background. So let's try again. Okay. Let me try one more time with a horizontal composition, see if it's better. Alright, I think I like the vertical composition better because it shows a little bit more depth, more 3Dness. Alright, I think I kinda like this picture right here, and yeah, that's it. Alright, so now I found another composition. So here's my wife posing as a model today, and we're going to do a little bit of portrait shoot using again GX85 and 20mm. So I put everything in aperture priority, and aperture f2.0 and ISO 200. So as you can see right here, I'm doing vertical composition, and yeah, I'm using the branches of this tree as a frame within the frame. So yeah, one picture, another one just in case. Yeah, I think it looks nice. La rambut di anu dikit yang sebelah kanan. Yes. Yes, okay. So let's try another picture. Okay, another one. I'm going to go a little bit closer so we get more background blur and to blur the frame of the tree as well. The branch of the tree, I mean. Excellent, excellent. I think we have one picture. Okay, so we found another composition here involving 3 branches again, but this time the background is a little bit clearer. On the back there we can see a little bit of paddy field in people's houses. Again, I'm shooting in aperture priority f2.0 and ISO 200, and I'm using the branches of the tree as frame within frame again. So I'm going to do horizontal composition this time. So I'm facing on my wife's face. Alright, I think that looks really nice again. Alright, I'm going to try vertical composition. I'm gonna back down a little bit. Alright, I think it looks nice. Let's try one more. I really love the bright sky over there. I think it looks really nice. All right, I think that looks really nice. All right, let's try to find another one. Alright, so we're going to do one more environmental portrait with my wife. She's been very patient during this whole session with the whole portrait thingy going on. And I'm using the Laowa 7.5mm f2 right now for environmental portrait using wide angle lens. So I'm going to do vertical composition. The wind is quite strong right now, but we're going to try to take it anyway. 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Again, I'm going to do horizontal this time. I've already pre-focused, so this is aperture priority at f2, ISO 200 again. I think this looks quite nice with the cloudy background and the restaurant as the background. I'm gonna go just a little bit closer since this is a wide angle lens. You have to be careful to place your subject in the middle. I'm going to try it one more time. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the buffer. Alright, one more time, horizontal. There was a little bit technical glitch with the camera, but now I think we're fine. Going to do one more vertical. Yeah, I really like the moody, cloudy thing going on in the background. And yeah, I think this looks nice. I'll show you the picture later on when I get back home on the screen, but I think ultra wide angle lens for environmental portrait is nice. Alright, so this is last composition for today. We're going to head back home and I think this is our last picture. So again, still aperture priority, 20mm, ISO 200, f2.0. I'm using the railings on this stair sort of like a leading line for my picture, and my wife's posing right there. I'm going to try vertical composition now. Alright, I think it looks really nice. Let's try one more time. Alright, really nice. I want to move in a little bit closer, see if I can find something interesting, maybe more prominent subject. Okay, wind's blowing, but I think it's fine. I'm going to try horizontal this time. I'm going to back down a little bit and let's try the horizontal composition. Oh, I think it looks really nice. Alright, again. Excellent. And I think that's all of the composition for today. So I'm already back home and that concludes today's video. So that is all for today's video. I hope this little vlog can help to inspire you to take more photographs. It doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to be great photograph all the time, but just going out there trying to have fun with photography is what I'm trying to do right here, and hopefully you can do the same. If you have any question, please comment down below and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you and goodbye.